Do you know what the last prophecy given to the Jewish people through the prophets and recorded in our Bible happens to be? Just so happens to be. The last message that's given as recorded prophecy. It's a messianic prophecy. It's about Elijah the prophet coming on the eve of the redemption. And what's he going to do? It says, V'heshiv leiv oves al b'neihem. He's going to return the hearts of the parents to their children. And then, as a response to that, then b'neihem al avoisam, reciprocally the children to their parents. The last prophecy that we were given, the message that we're supposed to hold on to, is that there was going to come a time when finally we're going to heal all the dysfunction, all the intergenerational trauma. We're going to put it all to rest. And you know how it's going to happen? The hearts of the parents will return to the children, and then the hearts of the children will return to the parents. Not the other way around. Not the other way around. And I see it. I see in this generation something is happening that may be unprecedented. That parents are looking more deep into their role as parents and more introspectively, more soulfully. And it's not just the same old line of, well, I said so, or never promised you that life is fair. I mean, we don't mind saying that to our children. I never promised you that life is fair. But there's a certain maturity, I think, that's happening where parents are finally able to say that line on themselves. Like, say that to yourself. Life isn't fair. You know what that means, life isn't fair? It's such a platitude. It doesn't sound like anything. Let me make it hit where it counts. Life isn't fair means you can totally sacrifice your peace of mind, your health, your time, your body, your hours, everything, your dreams, everything, so that these little people in your house can be comfortable. And not only will they never acknowledge and appreciate how you completely sacrificed yourself so that they could be comfortable, but they're going to have the nerve to go out and find their own way in life and figure things out for themselves and do things you don't like and do things that scare the hell out of you without any feeling that they owe it to you to not give you a nervous breakdown just because you sacrificed your entire life for them. Yep. That's what it means, life isn't fair. We have no problem telling it to kids, life isn't fair. Let's tell it to ourselves, life isn't fair. And I didn't have children in order to have people who are going to meet my needs. And it wasn't a clever plan how to get more honor. It's the exact opposite of that. It's an opportunity to really be selfless. To really be selfless. And to completely take care of the needs of somebody else. Hey, this is Shais Taub. You were just watching a clip from this class. If you want to get the full context, the full class that this clip that you just watched was from, you watch right here. Click right